This is a 2005 Chevrolet Tahoe for when safety, size, and space are of importance. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and satellite radio. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, heated side view mirrors, a premium sound system, leather seats, running boards, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and cruise control. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.